some of the tips that we have to share today are really around starting small. So it may be a transition for both your team, if you have a learning team, or folks, even subject matter experts who are building learning content for you. Maybe a big transition or change for them to change their process, incorporate AI. Also for your learners, maybe they're used to instructor-led sessions or virtual sessions, and now all of a sudden they have additional learning options. And so we always advise to start small, maybe pilot some virtual sessions or incorporate some video learning or demonstrations through video to start getting both your team and your the learners that you have used to a hybrid approach. Get feedback from them, which is always great because you're going to learn what they like and don't like. You can leverage multimedia. So videos are great. I usually say videos are great for short, show me how to do it, or interactive components, maybe a role play, or showing how to use different biomedical devices, those kind of things. But think about recordings or videos as a short, 2-3 minute exercise versus a long 30 to 40 minute pre-recorded video. Doing it that way really gives the learner a great way to visually see, because of course we have to tie into all the different learning styles. So reading, a mix of reading, visual elements, auditory elements, try me. Having those short videos is a great way to introduce the multimedia component. And then also now there's lots of ways to deliver interactive quizzes. And so you can just have 1 or 2 knowledge check questions, maybe have a short recording, a couple knowledge check questions, a great way to introduce the multimedia component. Can also use AI now to transition instructor-led training manuals quickly. So I'll talk to a specific example of a large company who we witnessed doing that. The instructor-led training content is great. So you probably have that. And you can now use AI to help rewrite that content or repurpose that content into e-learning and video content quickly. Can also, as I mentioned, collect feedback. That helps you continuously improve. Are you getting that hybrid approach right? Do your learners want more in-person Ask the Expert? Do they want less of that? Do they want more of some of the self-paced components? It's really dependent on you as a learning organization and your learners, what they're expecting and what they like. And then, of course, adopting some of the new content authoring and the AI-enabled components in the LMS technologies. That's also going to help you really scale, centralize the training materials, track participation. Really important once you move to a hybrid approach. You don't, of course, have the instructor there all the time to say, we know that the learning was occurring, we had lots of participation. Now, when in a self-paced approach or hybrid approach, you probably want to track and get some of those data points just to make sure you're on track. People can pass the knowledge check questions, and you can implement version control.